Hey everyone, it's Mrs. Holbrook and Baby Echo. Let's get started with our warm-up. D, D. I, itch, I, pine, I. O, octopus, O, home, O. Q, U, qu. S, 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 bugs, z. T, t. U, U, mule, U, rule, oo. W, H, w. T, H, A, N, G, bang, ang. U, N, G, lung, ung. A, N, K, bank, ank. Nice job, everyone. And let's look at this vowel team poster for the vowel teams we've done so far. O-A, boat, O. O-E, toe, O. O-W, snow, O. O-W, plow, ow. O-U, trout, ow. O-U, soup, oo. O-O, school, oo. O-O, book, U-E, blue, oo. U-E, rescue, you. E-W, chew, oo. A-U, August, aw. A-W, saw, aw. Those last two have not been learned yet with you guys, but they are coming. Actually, we did do them. I thought we did. We did them last week. Awesome. So they're new. That might have been tricky. Okay, my friends, and I have two new trick words for you. Take a look. We did these ones last week. Let's see about a brand new one that you've definitely seen in your classroom before. It looks like this. And I'm going to read you a sentence. It says, do you like to write? Our trick word in this is write. Can anyone find it and put an air circle around it? Right. It sounds like an and R at the beginning, but take a look, there it is. What's at the beginning? A W. That's what makes it tricky. It's vowel consonant E, so the I does say I. But sometimes words have a silent W before them, so that makes write a trick word. And this is the kind of write, like where you actually write something. Speaking of write, let's skywrite. 2 fingers out, picture it in the sky. Here we go. W, R, I, T, E. Right. And take your finger and do it again on your tabletop. Excellent. Okay, today is a little bit of a review of all the suffix endings we've done so far, and then we'll focus on one particular suffix ending. So this is a new grid that I'm trying out. It looks a little different than our foundations board, but it has all the suffixes. So there's a bunch of suffixes up here that you've never seen before. So I am going to actually, hold on a second. There we go. I pulled it down so you don't have to see them all. And I'm just going to pull down the ones we've learned. So the very first suffix that we have learned this year is a suffix S. Take a look at that. What does S say? When we put S at the end of a word, it turns it into a action or a plural word. Now we have learned some other suffixes as well. After S, we learned ED to make something past tense. Now I want you to take a look at this. Some of our suffixes are called consonant suffixes because the first letter in it is a consonant. So I am going to go ahead and write a C up here because S is a consonant. But look at ED. E is a vowel, so we call that a vowel suffix. Okay, let's do that one more time. This is the consonant, and this is the vowel. Awesome. Now we have learned some more suffixes. What else have we learned? That's right, we've learned ES. Now is ES a consonant? Does it start with a consonant or a vowel? Good, it's a vowel suffix. It starts with E, ES. We've learned one more suffix ending this year. What is it, everybody? ING. And where will that go? That's right, over here. It's a vowel suffix, ING, ing. Or sometimes ing is how it sounds at the end of a word. Okay, great. Now let's get ready to read some words that have two syllables and have this suffix ed that we're going to focus on today. Okay, so to help us with these words, I colored the different syllables in a different color. So let's look at the first syllable and tap it out. X. Let's look at the second syllable. Pect, pect. Let's blend that base word. Expect, expect, expect. Now we have to add the ed ending. Expected. It sounds like id in this word. I expected that this word could be tricky for you. Everyone, what's the word? Expected. Okay, try this one on your own. What's the first syllable say? What's the second syllable say? Base word. Now add the suffix. Disrupt, disrupt, disrupted. My child just disrupted me and came into my video, but you didn't see him. What's the word again? Disrupted. Very nice. Let's try one more. First syllable. Second syllable. Whole word. Add the suffix. Did you say insisted? Wow, what a big word. She insisted I brushed my teeth before bed. When you insist, it means you're like, oh, you must do it, you must. Good. Let's go back through and try to read these three words quickly. Expected, disrupted, insisted. Wow, great reading, everybody. Now it's time for us to write some words that have two syllables and suffix ed. So get your paper and get ready. Okay, before we write, let's do a little calming exercise. I want you to inhale and exhale. You just exhaled. Our word is exhaled. Everybody say exhale. What's the base word? Exhale. What's the first syllable? Exhale. Okay, tap out X. Remember, every syllable has to have a vowel. Tap out hal. Al. Go ahead, build exhale. Build it or write it, whatever tools you're using. X. Does your first syllable match mine? X. Apple. Exhale. Okay, this is a tricky one. Exhale. So we're going to add our E, exhale. It's a little tricky. It's a vowel consonant E, but the A kind of sounded like an A. So when a word already ends in E, a vowel consonant E, we kind of drop the E to put our suffix ed on. Because wouldn't this look really silly? Exhale, yeah, we only need one E for the suffix ed. Excellent. Okay, let's clear our boards. Let's spell it away. E, X, H, A, L, and suffix ed. Okay, let's try another one. Repeat after me. Expected. You're right, we did read this one, so it should make it a little easier. What's the first syllable? X. Second syllable? Pact. That's right, the base word is expect. Go ahead, build expect, and then make it expected. X. Same first syllable as exhale. X. Pact. Expect. Now what will we put on the end to make it expected? That's right, there's our ed tile. There's our word, expected. Okay, let's underline the base word and circle the suffix on this. Here we go. underline the base word, circle the suffix. Awesome. And let's just take a quick look at what color are our two different syllables. Not what color, what kind of syllables? X, packed. Ah, my pen's going crazy. So X right here is a closed syllable, right? And it's also a closed syllable with the E. Okay, my friends, that is it for today. You did a great job. Keep reading and working on finding syllables in words and getting all the tricky parts. Have a good day.